Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Zebra QLn420 mobile label printer, the MAINS-compatible AC adapter replacement. If you've ever found yourself in need of a new power source for your trusty mobile printer, whether your original adapter went missing, got damaged, or you simply need a reliable backup, this replacement unit aims to be a perfect fit. One of the first things that stands out about this MAINS adapter is its strong emphasis on safety. The manufacturer proudly states that their products are CE, FCC, and RoHS certified. These certifications aren't just fancy labels. They signify that the adapter meets rigorous standards for electrical safety, electromagnetic compatibility, and environmental friendliness by restricting hazardous substances. Crucially, it also incorporates OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. This means it's designed to safeguard your valuable Zebra printer from overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. In simple terms, it's built to protect your device from common electrical mishaps, giving you peace of mind while charging. This isn't an OEM product, meaning it's not made by Zebra themselves, but it's presented as a brand new, high-quality replacement. The goal here is to match or even exceed the original equipment manufacturer's specifications, ensuring seamless performance. It's specifically designed for the Zebra QLn420 mobile label printer, with explicit compatibility for models QN4 AUCA0 M0000 and QN4 AUCA0 E0000. As the seller notes, always double-check your device's model before buying to ensure perfect compatibility. In terms of its physical attributes, the adapter comes in a standard black color, constructed from durable plastic and metal components. This suggests a robust build, capable of withstanding the rigors of daily use, especially for a mobile printer that might see a lot of travel. It operates as a corded electric power source, ready to plug into your standard wall outlet. The input voltage is specified at 240 volts, implying it's designed for a wide range of electrical systems, though users should always confirm it suits their local power supply. Finally, the MAINS brand also highlights its commitment to customer satisfaction. Should any parts be missing or damaged during shipping, or if you encounter any issues, they offer responsive customer service, promising a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. This level of support adds another layer of confidence when considering a third-party replacement. Overall, for anyone needing a dependable and safe power solution for their Zebra QLn420, this MAINS adapter appears to be a very strong contender, offering robust safety features and dedicated compatibility.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.